Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we thought we'd do a video on the major renovation work we're doing on this Jaguar XJS 4.0 Celebration 1996 on an end plate. It's a fairly low mileage car and it's a good solid car, but it's again in for some fairly major renovation work. It's going to have two new front shockers, complete with bushes today. As you can see, I've stripped off the upper or the top wishbone. It's going to have new bushes in there. It's also going to have new anti-roll bar drop links because the bushes are shot on there. Brakes are fine, top and bottom ball joints perfect, steering rack, mountings and bushes are perfect. Obviously, as you can see as well, we've been wire brushing the car down and sealing all the bits and pieces up with seam sealer just to protect them. We are going to be putting obviously a proper black wax oil all the way through the car underneath, just to protect it and just so it looks nice as well. But yeah, like I say, all the other bushes on the front are fine. It's just those that I've just mentioned that we're going to be doing. And then of course on the back, as you can see here in preparation, we've got the Jaguar XJS famous radius arms. The bushes, the big bushes, you tend to just drop out of these. So they're going to be fitted. And new brake pads on the back, discs are fine. But yeah, the bushes are absolutely shot on those radius arms. Same on this side, everything else is absolutely fine. Exhaust, suspension, springs, shockers absolutely fine on the back. Just wants to say new radius arms complete with the bushes, which are an absolute fortune now. They never used to be as expensive as this. But anyway, they've got to be done. New shock absorber there for the front. These are the new bushes that we ordered for the top wishbones. So yeah, that's what we're on with at the moment. But a lovely car, a fair bit of renovation work on this car to do, a bit of paint work as well. No real rusty, rotten stories about this car, but it just it wants a good coat of looking at, that's all, to bring it up to our standards anyway. We've also got a service kit for it. We're going to service it and that'll be done in due course. Got some new wiper blades for it. But other than that, interior is perfect. It's got new headliner in it. The seats want reconalising, but you know, they're absolutely fine. Yeah, and a full service and a gearbox oil and filter. And then I think we're about done. Ready for the body shop to do a few of their little bits and pieces. We've got a new tyre there. One of the tyres is down to the markers, so we will be putting a new tyre on there. The rest of them are absolutely fine. I mean, the rears look like brand new and the front is next to new, so we'll do that. And then the wheels can go back on again then, and then we can sort of move it around while we do with the other bits and pieces. But yeah, we're coming along really, really nicely with this car. Quite a pace actually. But all the parts came really, really quickly. Well, we have got two new bonnet struts coming as well because they're a little bit weak, big heavy bonnets. So yeah, we'll keep you informed on this car's journey, and then of course you'll see the finished product with a proper walk round sales video. But yeah, we'll keep you informed and we'll keep doing a few little videos to show you how we're progressing with this car. But yeah, all going according to plan at the moment, but you never know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.